Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fanique. I'm Fanique, and today we are talking about my Chanel bag purchase, my first Chanel bag purchase, and my experience in the store. I bought a Chanel 19, spoiler alert, and I bought it in the store because it's cheaper to buy it in the store than it is to buy it online at this point, as a pre-loved item. It's just, might as well go in the store and pay them a few $100s extra or whatever, what have you, or less actually. So I did. But anyway, my experience was going into the store. Pretty sure it's on Oak Street. To me, it's Oak Street, but I could be wrong. I just know where stores are a lot of times in Chicago. Not necessarily always the name of stores, but it's like, I think Russian Oak Street is kind of where you have the Hermes store, Louis Vuitton store. It's a lot of stores on that block. A lot of luxury stores on that block. I've been to that store before. I had an essay there that I met once, and she had a lot of attitude, and I never would have called her. But the essay I had this time, she had a lot of patience, and honestly, I really felt this essay didn't think we were gonna buy anything. I went in there with my eldest cousin on a day. We were having like a cousin's date, me and my older cousin. We go hang out like once a month, and we go out and eat, we ride bikes, we hang out in West Loop, we go shopping. She basically has me in the street spending my money, because my older cousin likes to spend money, and she has all the, several Chanel bags. She has the Chanel shoes, she has Louis, she has all the things. So she has all the luxury. If I ever get a chance, we'll go in her closet, but she's not the type of person who wants y'all in her business like that. But anyway, so we go stand in line at the Chanel store on Oak. And to my cousin Meek, she's a bad influence.
We're at Chanel.
And she, my cousin's like, oh, we gotta stand in line for a minute. And we did. I felt like it was 45 minutes. It could have been less, but it felt like a while to me. You get an essay when you walk in the store, COVID rules now. And the essay was just cool. She was patient. And I really went in for sandals, to be honest with you. I went in for these black and white sandals that I'm obsessed with, that I want from Chanel, that I cannot find, for like $1,000. And I just really wanted them. So, and my cousin actually already has them, by the way. And she got them in the blue, but anyway. So I went into the store, looked around. They didn't have my sandals, because they're like, oh no, we're in a new season, babe. We're in fall. I'm like, we're in the middle of summer. We don't carry summer in summer. I was like, bet, you're right. What am I thinking? I tried on this plaid Chanel 19 and was like, where would I wear this to? What do I have that this matches? But I love it. Like, I would literally be wearing jeans, a white shirt, that, and a shoe. Like, I'm obsessed with that bag still. But I kept walking around. We saw a bunch of different purses, and then I saw the bag that I bought. This one. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm in heaven. But I absolutely love this bag. And I love the Chanel 19. Okay, let me just talk about that for a minute. I personally love the Chanel 19. I really like the tweeds a little bit more than I like the leathers, because I just feel like I'm not used to the leathers just yet, but I do want one that is leather. I'm really into just the fabulousness of the Chanel 19, to be quite frank. I think it's gorgeous, it's fabulous, it's beautiful. And I just love them. And I personally love navy blue. I love black. I love gray. I love white. I love those kind of colors. Although behind me, you can see I love blue behind me. You can see I love gold. That's my balcony. It don't count. It needed greenery, and I do like white. So anyway, I love those kind of colors. So I saw some other bags I did like, but this one I felt would really go well into my wardrobe for just about everything. And it's also blue and black. Like, I'll go in a little bit closer. It's blue and black, and it does obviously have this gold. It has this gold and silver metalware. The one thing about this is it gets these little things on here, and I have to figure out how I'm gonna take care of that better. But I kind of wore it for a while, and then I put it up because I feel like I'm gonna pull it out and just wear it way too much in the fall. So I better give it a break now. But I'm absolutely in love with this bag. It's pretty hefty. This is a large. It cost $4,800. And I'm glad I bought it. I have absolutely no buyer's remorse. I have paper in here now because I don't have bags in here. I don't always carry the bag, but I will do like a little video on Shorts or something and show you all the different things I can get in here and everything. But I'm absolutely in love. You can get quite a bit, and it has a flap in the back, guys, which I love. Look at that. Like, you can just put your phone or whatever back there. So I took the paper out, and so you can just get a good view of the inside of this bag. It's pretty large inside, and it also has this zip. Or I zipped it up. Let me unzip this. Got my authentication card, and yeah, this is my bag. This is it. It's gorgeous. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm actually scared a little bit to travel with it because I don't want anything to happen to it. I love it so much. I'm a big fan of Chanel 19s. If you're gonna buy a classic, I highly recommend you look on the pre-loved market first because the prices have soared, honey. And I paid $4,800 when the prices were lower. This was before this current price increase. So, the prices have soared, and I would buy a pre-loved classic bag. I don't like the boy bags, so I would probably buy those pre-loved if I did, but the Chanel 19s are so new on the market that they're not really selling for cheaper or reasonably cheaper than the actual bag in store. So I just bought that in the store, and I would always probably buy my Chanel 19s in store until they're like a little bit older, unavailable, not as much, you know, that kind of thing. For my next Chanel purchase, who knows when that'll be, probably sometime next year. I really am thinking that I want to go buy it in another country just because I want that experience, and also it's a little bit cheaper, and the girl loves to save a bag. If I could save a little bit of money, why not? And if I could go out the country, why not? But for me, I'm very excited and very happy that I bought it, and I had no buyer's remorse. I ran to Rag & Bone and bought this outfit, which I'll pop up on the screen. Actually, I'm wearing the top in this video, but I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. I am obsessed with Rag & Bone, and their clothes are super cute and chic and fabulous. And I saw this outfit on Hilo Luxe, and I was like, ooh, I need that. I need that. And I got it, and it was on sale, y'all. The girl loves a deal. But my just overall Chanel experience was great. The essay was very shocked that I bought anything. And she was like, oh, you're gonna buy it? I'm like, yeah, here's my card. Let's not speak of it. Let's not speak of anything else. Let's not even talk. I told her, don't even tell me how much it cost. Here's my card. And she's just like, oh, okay. And she was a little bit shocked, but she was so gracious and so nice and so kind. Because, yeah, you know, you just never know how people are gonna be towards you. I've been in that store before, and people have been kind of like, meh, kind of, you know, like attitude-y, and I don't really want to purchase from people with an attitude because I want to continue to purchase from the same person all the time. As long as that person works there, I want to purchase from them, because we build up a rapport, a relationship. You understand the things I like, you understand the things I dislike, all of those things. So I would rather purchase from someone I have a rapport with. And she was so nice to me, so kind. I'll pop her name up on the screen. I gotta go look for a card. I want to say her name was Susan, but I could be lying and probably am. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I finally got a bag off my wish list. Not the black and white one, but I did see the black and white one, and I did love it. But anyway, I finally got a bag off my wish list. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I'm very just yay. So life's good, blessed, highly favored, all those things. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.